On February 23, in the Chelyabinsk region, weather conditions seriously worsened. The Ministry of Emergency Situations reported an increase in wind up to 20-25 meters per second, blizzards and frost, which in some places reach -40 degrees. Due to snow drifts, congestion and massive accidents formed on the highways. Aid was provided to about 1,000 people and about 200 vehicles were evacuated. Public transport interruptions occurred. In connection with the current situation, traffic on Republican and regional highways was closed and an emergency regime was declared.